Here's how you can make money online reading books. This is not clickbait, this is not fake, this is 100% real, and you can make up to $100 a day doing this. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Also guys, don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. So a lot of people are very passionate about reading books, and if you're watching this video right now, chances are you might be one of them, right? So what if you could get paid to do something that you love? So if we look at some of those Fiverr gigs here, you will see that there are people getting paid almost a full-time wage doing simply reading simple books. And as you can see, this person here, he's offering to be a beta reader. Basically what this is they are reading other people's book and giving them an honest opinion about his experience reading their book. And then he's charging anywhere between $20 all the way to $95 to do this. So you have people who have those books and pieces of content that they want to release to the general public, but before doing so they want to have an honest opinion of somebody else before releasing the book to the general public. And this is what those beta readers are doing. They're basically reading those books so they are charging based on the amount of words that those books will have, and then they're giving their honest opinion about their experience. So basically they will answer a bunch of questions. So as you can see, this particular guy here, he says that as a beta reader I will give detailed feedback on the plot development, the author voice, themes, characters, dialogues, and so on, so that the writer can then improve on his book or on his work before releasing it to the general public. And clearly he's doing very well because he's got like 9 orders in the queue still, and as you can see he's charging anywhere between $20 all the way to close to $100 to do this. Here's another one here. I will sensitivity and beta read your story. She has 6 orders in the queue of close to 100 positive reviews, and she's charging anywhere between $50 all the way to $100 as well. And as you can see, a bunch of her, and she's got a ton of positive reviews, as I've said. Some more description in here about what she would do exactly. But basically what a lot of those beta readers will do is they will read the book and then answer a bunch of questions that will give the author a better idea of how to improve on their work. And this is something that you could definitely do yourself if you're somebody who enjoys reading, especially novels and fictions and all those kinds of different books out there. Okay, you can simply create one of those Fiverr gigs and offer your service to be a beta reader, and there's no shortage of clients for this. As you can see, a lot of those sellers have orders coming in, and they're still getting orders coming in. Here's another one here. She also has 9 orders in the queue, and she's charging anywhere between $40 all the way to $100 doing this. So basically all you would have to do is read a book and then give your honest opinion of how you felt reading that book. And if you're somebody who enjoys reading book already, this is something that is going to be very easy for you to do. If you check this particular seller here, I will beta read your work thoroughly and promptly. She even has some of those questions that she would answer. So did the story hold your interest from the very beginning? If not, why not? Could you relate to the main character? If we scroll down, you see that she has a bunch of the questions that she says she would answer. So how do I feel about this character? What would this be confusing to a reader? So clearly this is somebody who's been doing this for a little while, and she knows what she's supposed to answer. And this is really an amazing gig that is not so well known, that you can really start doing and does not require any special skills on your part to do. You could come up with a huge list of 15 or 20 or even 25 questions that you will answer for every book that you read. If you need more inspiration, you could go on Google and simply type in questions to answer as a beta reader, and you will see that there are a bunch of different websites in here that are suggesting you what are the kind of questions that you should answer as a beta reader. So for example, if I open one of those websites, you will see that this one, 15 questions to ask for a beta reader. Did the story hold your interest from the beginning? If not, why not? This is literally what this person had in here. Did the story hold your interest from the beginning? If not, why not? Could you relate to the main character. I don't know if it has this one as well in here, but you know, those are different questions that you can answer every time you finish reading those books. So those are 15 questions that they have in here. This website has 51 beta reader questions. Obviously you don't have to do all those 51. You can pre-select maybe the top 15 or the top 20, but you know, this is how easy it is to do this particular gig. Just read the book, answer a bunch of questions, and then send it back to the client, and it's really as easy as that. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video and you've discovered something amazing that you can start doing today. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.